Hello, dear students, and welcome back to my channel Learn with Ifra Sheikh. So, today in this video, BRS Part 3, we will do problem based on balance as per passbook. In our previous video, we have learned how to make the pro forma and what all the things and the stuff are included in it. And in Part 2, we have learned the problem of balance as per cash book. So, on 31st December 2018, passbook showed balance of rupees 5,000 from the following particular prepare BRS. So, here it has given balance as per passbook. Showed of balance rupees 5,000 of passbook, right? So, even in our account, we will do balance as per passbook rupees 5,000. Next. The first entry is issued check worth rupees 1000 of which worth rupees 300 were not cashed. So we have two books, cash book and passbook, and we have to reconcile them. So we have made payment. A company have made payment of rupees 1000 rupees, out of which only 700 rupees were paid. Remaining 300 rupees are there in the company's account only still now, right? So it is less. The amount in the cash book is less from rupees 300, right? So even in the passbook we will do it less. Check issued but not presented for payment rupees 300. Or another way I would suggest you of doing this is, as previously I have said while teaching you the pro forma, whatever stuff in the passbook is added or in the cash book is added, that will be less. For example, the things in the cash book which are added, that we will do less in the passbook, and whatever the stuff is did less in the cash book will be added in the passbook. This is the only easy method, okay? So deposited a check for rupees 150. We have deposited a check for rupees 150 in the bank but did not enter it in the cash book. So we have deposited a check but we have not entered it in the cash book, so the amount of cash book is less but the amount of passbook is more from rupees 150, right? So while maintaining passbook, we'll look the balance of cash book, so we'll less this. Check deposited into the bank but not yet entered into the cash book, rupees 150. Passbook showed a credit of rupees 40 for interest. So in our passbook there is a credit of rupees 40. So bank has collected interest on behalf of us of rupees 40. So the balance of bank is more by rupees 40, but it has not told us or informed us about it. So balance is cash book is less from rupees 40. So we'll do it less. Interest credited in the passbook rupees 40. So, and a debit of rupees 10 for bank charges, cash book has no entries. Now again what the bank has done is deducted rupees 10 for bank charges. So this deduction is not mentioned in a cash book. So amount of rupees cash book is more from rupees 10, right? So we'll add this. Bank charges not recorded in the cash book, rupees 10. We have completed first three entries. Fourth one is a check of rupees 1200 deposited in the account number 2 was wrongly credited by the bank to this account. So what the bank has done is by mistakenly deposited in the check. See, so the amount 1200 is more in the bank. This is recorded by mistakenly, a wrongly credited check into the bank. But the amount in a cash book is less, as we are unaware that we have more 1200 rupees check in our cash book. So we'll list this. Wrong credit given by the bank, rupees 1200. Check for rupees. Okay, dishonored bill was debited in the passbook, only rupees 500. So the bill is dishonored in the passbook only, right? So the amount is less from rupees 500 as bill was dishonored, but the amount in the cash book is more from rupees 500. So we'll add this. Dishonored bill debited in the passbook only, rupees 500. The next entry is check for rupees 700 paid into the bank were not credited in the passbook. So in the bank the amount is more, right? But the bank the amount from 700 is less. But in actual, in our cash book we have it more. So what we will do, we'll add the amount. Check paid into bank but not yet credited, rupees 700. The next, wrong debit of rupees 100 appeared in passbook. So see, here we have wrong debit of rupees 100 in our passbook, but we do not have this amount, right? So we'll add this wrong amount debit in the passbook, rupees 100. Next, a check of rupees 150 received from a customer was entered into the bank but was omitted to be paid. So rupees 150 was received from customer. We have received this, right? And we have entered this amount in our cash book. So the amount of our cash book is more. But we have omitted, forgotten to bank it. So the amount in the bank is less. So we will add this. Check entered in the cash book but omitted to be banked, rupees 150. So now we will add all this amount. Total is 1460. 5000 plus 1460, 6460, 6460. Now we'll less this. We'll again add this amount. Total it 1690. So 6460 minus 1690 is 4770. So this is bank balance as per cash book. Hope you have understood this video. Thank you.